Guy it. I am downloading my thing from Canvas and opening it, bringing it here. It's not open here. I'm going to open it in VS Code. And now, oh, jeez. I'm going to run it. It does take a long time to configure because it is very computationally intensive. Alright, so this is my game VORTEX. So you press start, and I'll play you the sound. So this is my looping sound, and then when you go into a planet or change state at all, it plays the transform sound. Alright, stop that so you can hear me. So, Vex right here, this octopus, is my first animated sprite. As you can see up here, it prompts you to click B, and that gets you to the instructions. You can navigate by clicking like the next button with your arrows. So basically the premise of the game is that you're an octopus, or traveling with the octopus, to complete the mission of solving all the constellation puzzles. To do that, you have to click on each level, and then you complete the puzzles by like selecting a star and connecting it to another star. This is my second animated sprite. We continue, and then this is how to navigate the system. We come back to this, and you can go back to the level screen by clicking A. So now we're back here. My two backgrounds that independently move are these star fields in the back. They are both moving. That's my parallax. My tile map modification is actually right here. As you hover over each planet, it prompts you to click A. I urge you to go and through the whole solar system and have fun with it because it's really cool, and I worked really hard on it. So you saw my start state. This is my game state. We have the instruction state, and then there's like a secondary game state, which is within here. When you're in the game state, or in the puzzle state, you can hover over the pause button and click A, and then it'll take you to the pause. So we can end this and go back to the level state. We can resume the puzzle where we were, and then we can restart the game entirely. So I'm just going to go back to the level state and double check before I show you the whole cheat and win the game. Alright, so you should definitely look at all the levels because they are all different, and I'm very proud of them. So, my cheat. So what you have to do is you have to both go through so the normal way to win the game is to complete all the levels. And these little icons will change when you've completed that planet. I'll show you when I do Mercury. And then that'll take you to the win state. But to cheat, you solve Mercury, and then you go through the wormhole, and that'll take you there. So let's solve Mercury real quick. This is like the easy one. And only the first and the last puzzle have this like different colored background. The first one is because it's supposed to be like the easy one, and the last one is because there's a lot of triangles. I just realized I didn't show you palette modification, which is literally like the whole way my puzzle works, so here's that real quick. My palette modification, let me just prove it to you, is actually integral to how the puzzle works. Each like connection and triangle is a different palette index, and when you solve it, it changes that color. It modifies it, so you can see that changed, and this will change to a red right there. Alright, let's solve this puzzle. Alright, so now when we click start, we're back in the level select, and you can see that this is different. And now we still can't go through the wormhole, but if we hold select and go left, we are taken through the wormhole, and we get our little win state screen. Just to show that if you haven't done Mercury, that's what the wormhole does. You can't go back the other way, but and then this is all of the puzzles. You should definitely look at them because they're all different, and I worked very hard. They're also all fruit themed. So yeah, I think that's all I need to show you. I really like it, and I hope you do too.